Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about FSP CUT593 Premium Ultra Tower chassis lineup. So friend, this series offers three distinct configurations: CUT593, CUT593 ARGB and Premium Edition, each tailored to accommodate high-performance builds. With a focus on smart engineering, these cases deliver a host of features and functionality to maximize their utility, and you can choose between two sleek color options, black and white, adding touch of personalization to their futuristic design. And friend, this series has been engineered with precision to accommodate a wide range of consumer gear motherboard form factor, making it a versatile choice for PC builder of all kinds. And these cases are equipped with user-centric features aimed at enhancing organization and functionality throughout the build process. And friend, for those who value convenience and clean aesthetic, the CUT593 Premium Edition takes it a step further by including pre-installed PSU braided cables. This edition streamlines the building process, making it accessible to you of all experience levels and ensure clean cable management and smooth assembly project. And friend, furthermore, the series boasts an optimized size, offering ample clearance with a generous 175mm CPU cooler height allowance, and it can accommodate full-size RTX 4000 series graphics card up to 400mm in length, allowing for the inclusion of high-performance components without compromises. And friend, the CUT593 has been engineered for superior cooling efficiency, and it can house up to three 140mm fans at the front and a pre-installed 140mm fan at the rear for user convenience, and additionally it provides the flexibility to mount multiple radiators with easily accessible brackets at the front and top of the chassis. And friend, this configuration supports both 280mm and 360mm radiator, offering diverse liquid cooling options. And the case offers ample expansion HDD and SSD installation space, 7 expansion slot and multiple 3.5-inch HDD and SSD slot for user convenience. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the starting price is about $109. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.